Okay, my dear students, now let's start with your last topic of this chapter, and that is your vandalization. कौन सा topic है? That is your vandalization. Am I clear? Okay. So far, what we people have understood, हमने discuss किया photoperiodism. Photoperiodism is nothing but effect of light as well as dark hours in process of flowering. Yes. This we have clearly understood. Short day plant, long day plant, day neutral plant who receives this photoperiodic perception, that is our leaves, which in response to that light sensation produces what? It produces a chemical which is called as your florigen, which gets stabilized at dark and then travels to shoot tip, which initiates formation of flower. This is what I mean by photoperiodism, and I hope it is very much clear to you people. Now dear students, let's understand your last topic, vandalization, which is effect of low temperature on process of flowering. Vandalization क्या है? Basically effect of low temperature on the process of flowering. Am I clear? Okay. Now let's understand, if we are talking about certain plants, so many plants actually do not flowers if they not receive low temperature. What I am saying, many plants, right, do not flowers. Many plant do not produces flower before they experience low temperature. है ना? So what I will be writing over here, before they experience, complete कर लो आप, before they experience low temperature. Are you people getting my point? What I am saying कि भाई कुछ plants ऐसे होते हैं वो flowers produce नहीं करते. These plants actually do not flower if they do not receive low temperature. If they do not receive low temperature, ज्यादातर this plant remains. This plants remains in vegetative phase, है ना? Remains vegetative during warm condition, है ना? Then it receives low temperature and then they grow further and produces fruits, मतलब flowers and fruits, है ना? Flowers पहले आएंगे तभी तो fruits बनेंगे. Flowers and fruits. Am I clear? What this plant do, my dear students? ये जो plants होते हैं, they remains vegetative during warm condition. मतलब से for example, if we are talking about summer, spring season में ये लोग vegetative रहते हैं. They receives low temperature during winter season, right? And then they resumes growth. मतलब they grow further. They attains reproductive stage where it produces flowers and then it bears fruits. Am I clear? I hope ये आपको अच्छे से समझ में आया. These are the plants who do not flower before they experience low temperature. It means they remains vegetative during warm condition. They receives low temperature and then it grows further to form flowers and fruits. I hope it is clear to you people. This is seen. मतलब ये क्यों होता है? Why it is so? This process allows plants to attain vegetative maturity. है ना? So what I will be writing over here, dear students, this allows plants to achieve what? To achieve vegetative maturity. To achieve vegetative maturity. Am I clear? Yes. And this is seen in winter varieties. Dear students, ये जो है, the process of I can say vandalization, वो process क्या है that we will be discussing. But ये जो process मैंने आपको पढ़ाया कि there are certain plants who requires low temperature, है ना? So dear student, this occurs in winter varieties. कौन सी variety है बेटा, विंटर वेराइटीज ऑफ सर्टेन एनुअल प्लांट्स, ऑफ सर्टेन एनुअल प्लांट्स मतलब हु produces fruits and flowers in one growing season only. जैसे कि I am talking about your wheat, barley and rye. Wheat, barley and your rye plants. Am I clear? And in case of biennial plants, this is also in case of winter varieties of biennial plants like carrot, cabbage, one more is there, sugar beet. Am I clear? Yes. Dear students, what I am saying कि भाई ये जो है, it occurs in winter varieties of annual plants like wheat, barley, rye, biennial plants like carrot, cabbage, sugar beet and perennial plants like chrysanthemum. perennial plant कौन सा बोला मैंने आपको? chrysanthemum. I hope ये आपको समझ में आ रहा है. What I said, my dear students, many plants do not come to flower before they receive low temperature. तो warm condition अगर हो तो they remains vegetative. Once they get low temperature, it grows further, attains vegetative maturity, goes to reproductive phase, then produces flower and fruits. Am I clear? ये जो सारी प्रोसेस है, this is in case of winter varieties of certain annual plants, biennial plants and perennial plants. Annual plants जैसे कि your wheat, rye, barley. Perennial plants is your chrysanthemum and biennial plant जैसे कि carrot, cabbage and sugar beet. This is a common process. This is a common phenomenon which is taking place in this certain annual, biennial and perennial plant कि भाई उनको low temperature चाहिए ही चाहिए, otherwise they do not bear flower. They do not bear flower. Am I clear? अब भाई देखो बच्चों, देखो what I am saying कि भाई ये एक annual plant है. Here I am taking annual plant, है ना. यहाँ पे कौन सा लिया है हमने? विंटर वेराइटीज ली है. That is winter varieties of annual plants like wheat. This annual plant also have spring variety, है ना. Annual plants like wheat, winter variety तो है ही है बेटा, लेकिन this is also have spring varieties. Okay. Dear students, if I am talking about spring varieties, तो इसको sow कब किया जाता है? They are sown in spring, है ना. They are sown in spring and they produces flower and fruits by the end of growing season, है ना. They are generally sown in spring and they produces what? Flowers and fruits by the end of growing season. By the end of growing season, है ना. लेकिन अगर ये स्प्रिंग वेराइटी को, चलो स्प्रिंग वेराइटी को कब शो किया जाता है? लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड दिस थिंग फर्स्ट. What I said, my dear students, कि annual plants like wheat, barley, rye also have spring varieties. Spring varieties है तो उसको spring में sow किया जाता है. By the end of summer, मतलब by the end of growing season, they bears your flowers as well as your fruits. लेकिन ये wheat की जब winter variety, कौन सी variety बोली मैंने? Winter variety, if it is sown in spring, they fails to produce fruits and flowers and fruits at the end of growing season. At the end of growing season. Are you people getting my point? बेटा understand very carefully. Wheat की दो varieties है, spring variety है, winter variety है. स्प्रिंग वेराइटी को आपने सो किया स्प्रिंग सीजन में. इन स्प्रिंग राइट इट ग्रोस, मतलब सीडलिंग डेवलप हुआ, वेजिटेटिव फेज आया, रिप्रोडक्टिव फेज आया, फ्लावर बने, सीड्स बन गए, फ्रूट्स एंड सीड्स. दिस all occur by the end of growing season, by the end of growing season. But if my dear students winter variety जो है wheat की, अगर आप उसको सो कर रहे हो स्प्रिंग सीजन में, स्प्रिंग में winter varieties require low temperature, it requires low temperature. अब स्प्रिंग है, समर से पहले स्प्रिंग होता है ना, उसमें तो टेम्परेचर बहुत ही ज्यादा होता है. यस, तो जब आप विंटर वेराइटी को स्प्रिंग में सो करते हो तब व्हाट हैपेंस, क्या होता है, तब क्या होता है डियर स्टूडेंट्स, दिस विंटर वेराइटी इफ सोन इन स्प्रिंग, इफ सोन इन स्प्रिंग राइट, इट ग्रोज, मतलब वेजिटेटिव फेज होगा. इन विंटर दे रिसीव्स लो टेम्परेचर, विंटर में लो टेम्परेचर ये रिसीव करेंगे. देन दे रिज्यूम्स ग्रोथ, they resumes growth in spring and then it bears flowers and fruits. Are you people getting my point? वो same growing season में नहीं होता है. Are you people getting my point? Yes or no? मैंने लिखा है कि अगर आप स्प्रिंग में इसको सो कर रहे हो तो it fails to produce flowers and fruits at the end of growing season, at the end of growing season, है ना. तो विंटर वेराइटी को अगर आप स्प्रिंग में सो करोगे तो वो आपको फ्लावर्स फ्रूट्स वही सीजन में नहीं देने वाले हैं. दिस विंटर वेराइटीज प्रोड्यूसेस सीडलिंग, ग्रोथ स्टॉप हो जाएगा. इट रिसीव्स लो टेम्परेचर इन विंटर, इट रिसीव्स लो टेम्परेचर इन विंटर. विंटर में जो टेम्परेचर लो होता है ना, ये सबको पता है. इट रिसीव्स लो टेम्परेचर इन विंटर, वापस से वो ग्रोथ शुरू करेगा by the end of spring, next spring जब आएगी, at that time it produces flowers and fruits. Am I clear? Yes or no? Yes or no? I hope ये आपको अच्छे से समझ में आया है ना. तो जो winter varieties है, they are actually planted in autumn. They are actually planted in autumn, forms seedling and produces flowers in winter only. Flowers and fruits in winter only. Am I clear? So I hope ये आपको अच्छे से समझ में आ चुका है. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Now dear students, let's talk about the phenomenon of your vandalization. ये actually है क्या? By the time I am giving you the time, 5 minutes time to note down the same in your notebooks. Note down the same in your notebooks. Note it down everyone. What I said, annual plants which are having two varieties, spring varieties and winter varieties. Winter varieties, if you sow in spring, right, it produces seedling, right, they receives low temperature in winter and resumes growth in summer, by which they produces fruits. But if we are talking about spring varieties, so spring varieties, if you are sowing it in spring season, they produces fruits and flowers by the end of growing season. Am I clear? Okay. So I hope ये आपको अच्छे से समझ में आ चुका है. चलो. Now, if we are talking about the process of vernalization, तो vernalization was first of all discovered by, it was discovered by Lysenko. ठीक है. The process of vernalization, the process of vernalization was discovered by Lysenko. Lysenko ने क्या बोला? इन्होंने बोला, okay, this is actually vandalization is cold requiring treatment. ये कैसी treatment है बेटा? It is actually your cold requiring treatment. Yes or no? Yes. जिसको आप chilling treatment भी बोल सकते हो. This is also said as chilling treatment. Dear students, what he said कि भाई जो annual and biennial plants है, annual or if we are talking about your biennial plants है ना, they are made to flower by providing by providing low temperature. By providing low temperature. ये जो chilling effect है, this called requiring effect है, treatment है, that is called as your vernalization. That is called as your vernalization. Am I clear? Once again, what Lysenko said, that cold requiring annual and biennial plants are made to flower by providing low temperature. This chilling treatment is called as vernalization. Am I clear? I hope it is very much clear to you people. The process was discovered by Lysenko. What he said, he was actually a Russian worker. What he said that कि भाई there are certain annuals and biennial plants who require cold treatment. So what I am using the term cold requiring annual and biennial plants are made to flower. Are made to flower if they are given low temperature. If they are given low temperature, and the name of this chilling treatment given by him is what we understand वर्नलाइजेशन. ये प्रोसेस को क्या कहा जाता है? वर्नलाइजेशन कहा जाता है. एम आई क्लियर? आई होप ये आपको अच्छे से समझ में आ चुका है, राइट? ओके डियर स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ व्हाट इज साइट? साइट क्या है? व्हाट इज द साइट ऑफ वर्नलाइजेशन? व्हाट इज द साइट ऑफ वर्नलाइजेशन? द साइट ऑफ वर्नलाइजेशन इज एक्चुअली मेरिस्टेमेटिक सेल. कौन सी साइट है बेटा? Meristematic cell. That are your actively dividing cell. That are your actively dividing cells. Am I clear? Yes. जैसे कि एम्ब्रियो टिप है या शूट टिप है या लीफ है, यंग लीफ है, अगर वहां पे आप कोल्ड ट्रीटमेंट देते हो तो इट इज बिलीव्ड दैट देयर विल बी फॉर्मेशन ऑफ केमिकल दैट इज कॉल्ड एज योर वर्नैलिन. ये केमिकल एक हाइपोथेटिकल केमिकल है. अभी तक ये डिस्कवर मतलब इसको आइसोलेट नहीं किया गया है. इसको आइसोलेट नहीं किया गया है ना? सो इफ मेरिस्टेमेटिक सेल्स are given cold treatment, it is believed that there will be formation of a chemical called as your Vernalin, which is an hypothetical chemical. एक hypothetical chemical है, इसकी isolation अभी तक नहीं हुई है. It is just believed that in response to cold treatment, ये जो meristematic cells है, they produces a chemical called as your Vernalin, and due to this Vernalin, there will be formation of flowers. There will be early formation of flowers. Am I clear? So how can I define vernalization? चलो definition आप मुझे बताओ. How can we define vernalization? It is shortening of vegetative phase and hastening, speeding of reproductive phase. Yes or no? Speeding of reproductive phase मानी speeding of hastening of flowering is what I mean by vernalization. I hope ये आपको अच्छे से समझ में आया है. Of course, by cold treatment. So everyone write vernalization. I am speaking. You have to write. Vernalization is. देखो everyone. Process of vernalization is process of shortening of. Vernalization is process of shortening of vegetative phase or juvenile phase, vegetative phase or juvenile phase, and hastening, मतलब speeding भी you can write, hastening of flowering, hastening of flowering by cold treatment. By cold treatment is called vernalization. Is called vernalization. Am I clear? So I hope you understood these points really very well. So what is vernalization? Okay, here we have completed your chapter number 15, plant growth and development. A quick recap, since it is bit difficult for you people to understand. Vernalization कुछ नहीं है भाई. देखो, there are certain plants जिसको लो टेम्परेचर चाहिए टू प्रोड्यूस फ्लावर. सिंपल एज दैट. फ्लावर कब प्रोड्यूस होगा? इफ अ प्लांट गेट्स लो टेम्परेचर। तो आर्टिफिशियली अगर हम किसी प्लांट को लो टेम्परेचर प्रोवाइड कर दे तो वो फटाफट फ्लावर प्रोड्यूस करेगा। अगर फ्लावर फटाफट प्रोड्यूस हुए तो फ्रूट्स एंड सीड्स भी जल्दी आएंगे। दिस इज वंडरलाइजेशन, यही वंडरलाइजेशन है। सो व्हाट आई सेड माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स कि भाई देयर आर मेनी विंटर वैरायटीज of annual plants, biennial plants and perennial plants who require low temperature. चलो विंटर वेराइटीज को सो कब किया जाता है? ऑटम में, है ना? तो इट प्रोड्यूसेस सीडलिंग, प्लांट प्रोड्यूस हुआ, उसने फ्लावर प्रोड्यूस किया, फ्रूट्स प्रोड्यूस किए इन वन ग्रोइंग सीजन ओनली। इनकी स्प्रिंग वेराइटीज भी है जो कब सो करी जाती है? स्प्रिंग सीजन में। स्प्रिंग वेराइटी को स्प्रिंग में सो किया, सीडलिंग प्रोड्यूस हुई, प्लांट डेवलप हुआ, रिप्रोडक्टिव फेज आया, फ्लावर बना, फ्रूट बना, सीड बना। दिस इज ऑल्सो डन इन वन ग्रोइंग सीजन। लेकिन माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अब जब अगर आप विंटर वैरायटी को, इफ वीट की विंटर वैरायटी को आपने सो किया स्प्रिंग में, तो इट डू नॉट फ्लावर एंड प्रोड्यूसेस फ्रूट इन वन ग्रोइंग सीजन। स्प्रिंग सीजन में आपने सो किया विंटर वैरायटी को। Are you people getting my point? It receives low temperature in winter, resumes growth in summer, where it produces flowers. Where it produces flower. मतलब इस साल आपने स्प्रिंग में सो किया विंटर वेराइटी को, तो वो अगले साल समर में फ्लावर्स प्रोड्यूस करेगी। Simple as that. Am I clear? Yes or no? Yes. So the concept of vernalization was discovered by Lysenko, है ना? आर्टिफिशियली आप लो टेम्परेचर प्रोवाइड कर दो। चाहिए क्या प्लांट्स को? लो टेम्परेचर ही चाहिए ना, तो आर्टिफिशियली यू कैन प्रोवाइड लो टेम्परेचर। यस, सो ऑन प्रोवाइडिंग लो टेम्परेचर वी कैन shorten juvenile phase, vegetative phase, and we can increase the process of flowering, thus fruiting and seeds. Clear? This is all about your vernalization. I hope the topic is very much clear to you people. Over to you. Note down the same in your notebooks and read once from your NCERT book, right? So this is all about your chapter number 15. Bye everyone. See you in next lecture with new chapter. Bye.